you have enough plugs, you will have plenty now. This is 6 plugs. So this takes 2 plugs and makes it into 6. Actually, it makes it into 9 because it has 2 USB-Cs, so you can plug in like your phone, and it has USB-C as well. So it's USB-A, USB-A, and USB-C. And then you have 6 plugs. On the bottom, it has a night light. It has a switch. You can turn the night light to off or auto. This is the little photo cell. So when you have it on auto, when it's dark, the light will turn on. When it's light, it'll turn off. Also, I'm not sure, I didn't see anything in the documentation, but there's this little thing up here. You can actually like put your phone in here. So when you're charging it, so if I plug this in like this, when you're charging your phone, you plug it in, you can have it kind of sitting up like this. You can see the light did turn on, and you can turn it off. So it has a photo cell, so it's in a corner here where it's kind of dark. I know it looks lighter in the camera, but it is kind of dark here. And this will turn on and off automatically. I'm talking about this night light here. So yeah, this ledge on the top is really nice. 6 plugs, like I said, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C right there in the center. Pretty neat. Definitely increases your capabilities of plugging things in.